Today's topic is about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Depending upon the complexity of organization in cell, they are divided into two, the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. First, we will be dealing with prokaryotic cell. The word prokaryote can be split into two, that is the pro, which means early or before, and karyon means nucleus, that is before nucleus. So the prokaryotic cell, they are small, usually 1 to 10 micrometer in size. They are simple and the most primitive cell. In prokaryotic cell, there is no nucleus, which is a membrane bound cell organelle. They have only a nuclear region in the cytoplasm called the nucleoid. The genetic material, they lies freely in the nucleoid region, and the genetic material, they are in the form of a single circular chromosome. The prokaryotic cell, they do not have membrane bound cell organelles, and the cytoplasm, they do not exhibit amoeboid movement. Here, the cell divide by means of budding or fission. The prokaryotic cells, they are usually unicellular. The cell wall is made up of The cell wall of the prokaryotic cell is made up of carbohydrates and amino acids, not cellulose. Hence, they are non-cellulosic. Examples of prokaryotic cell include bacteria and cyanobacteria, which is otherwise known as the blue-green algae. Next is about eukaryotic cell. The word eukaryote, they can be split into two, that is eu means true and karyon means nucleus, that is true nucleus. Compared to prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cells, they are larger. Their size vary from 5 to 100 micrometer. Eukaryotic cells, they are complex cell with many membrane bound cell organelles in them, like the mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, nucleus, etc. As the word eukaryote suggests, they have a true nucleus within which the genetic material is present in the form of chromosomes. That is, the eukaryotic cell, they have a nucleus bound by a nuclear membrane, and the chromosome is present inside this nucleus. Now there are 4 kingdoms which belongs to eukaryotic cell, that is the plants, animals, protists and fungi. Eukaryotic cells, they can be unicellular or multicellular in nature. The plants, animals and protists, they are multicellular, whereas fungi, they are unicellular. The eukaryotic cell, they divide by means of mitosis or meiosis, which we will be dealing later. Thank you.